He got all soprano on me.
Yeah.
Are we gonna have a fight? Oh.
Hey, don't let him do that. No, Jacob. No.
Grandma's only ruins the fun.
Oh my gosh, he does that to one of his grandmas. He's going to find himself on his butt.
What'd you do?
Hit Dad in the face twice with that gun.
You got pissed.
Yeah.
Did you pistol whip Grandpa?
I got all soprano on him. I got all soprano on Grandpa.
No. I'll break the gun. I will
I'll
break the
dance.
gun.
Oh yeah, wait. I'll just dance for you, Grandma. I'll do my dance. Can't stay mad at me when I do my dance.
No. I'll break, no, put the gun down. Daddy hates guns. Okay, yeah. Papa, put it down.
My daddy got it for me.
Well, your daddy's an idiot. I know that already. Your daddy didn't have no gun when he was 1 year old. I guarantee you that. Thank you. Thank you. Good.